How old were you when you discovered that your computer is capable of doing all this? No technician would tell you, so they could charge you. I'm going to tell you for free. Remember to follow me and share. Look, if you press the Windows SK key, you'll be able to connect your computer to the TV without using any cables. If your computer is slow and starts to get stuck, you can press the Control Shift Windows SB keys and the computer's video drivers will automatically restart and it will be faster. If you press Windows SR and in this run box you type this code you're seeing and hit enter, you'll be able to discover if any pirate account is spying on your PC and you'll be able to delete it. If you think your computer has a virus, you don't need to buy any antivirus. You just press Windows R and here in the run window you're going to type MRT. When you hit enter, you're going to activate an automatic Windows scan to eliminate any viruses and threats from your computer. And if in your browser you type word.new and hit enter, you'll be able to use the entire Office suite online completely for free. How surprising, right? And if you want more, put in the comments, I want more. And remember,